They are the ones who run towards the danger. Our first responders, our heroes in uniform. They face situations most of us can't even imagine. But who do they turn to when the weight of those experiences become too heavy to carry? That is where Frontline of Hope steps in. Our trauma support teams and chaplains are there on the front line with our heroes, providing a lifeline in the midst of the storm, offering comfort, understanding and a safe space to process the unimaginable. Because even our heroes need help. Frontline of Hope, answering the call when our heroes need someone to answer theirs.